Changing your webcam resolution in OBS can feel like trying to find a light switch in the dark. It's not hidden, but it's not super obvious either. Here's how you do it, step by step. Open OBS and look at your sources box. It's in the lower left corner. If your webcam isn't already added, hit the ++ sign and choose Video Capture Device. This is where the magic starts. When you add or select your webcam source, a new settings window appears. There's an option that says Device. From the drop-down, pick your webcam. You'll see your video preview light up. Next to Device, there's a Configure Video button. Now, this is the playground for your webcam settings. Click it, and you'll usually get redirected to the webcam's own software configuration window. Here's the trick. OBS actually lets you adjust resolution directly. Under Resolution FPS type in the source properties, switch it to Custom. This lets you fine-tune everything. Once you switch to Custom, a drop-down for resolution will appear. This is where you can choose the specific resolution you want, like 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080. Bigger numbers mean sharper quality, but there's more to consider. The higher the resolution, the more processing power OBS uses. If your stream starts lagging or choppy, you may have gone too high. Your PC has limits. You'll find them fast if you overshoot. Here's a pro tip. If you aren't sure what your webcam supports, check its specs online. Searching Logitech C920 resolution specs, for example, takes 2 seconds and saves a lot of frustration. If your video still looks funky, check your FPS. Higher FPS, like 60, makes movement buttery smooth, but it also demands more from your system. You might need to dial it down to 30 for stability. To save changes, click OK, then look at the video preview in OBS. If it still isn't crisp, clean your webcam lens. Trust me, smudges look worse at high res than low res. Always double check. And let's address the pain point. OBS settings don't save automatically. So if you close the app before hitting OK, all your changes vanish. Always confirm before exiting. This process isn't rocket science, but it's also not spelled out anywhere, and now you've got it. A better resolution in OBS makes everything look professional. And hey, who wouldn't want that?